Hello and welcome to InstaVIP777. In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can use InstaVIP777, which is the best social media marketing panel on the internet. It saves your time and maximizes your marketing by managing your social accounts in one panel where people buy SMM services. InstaVIP777 provides services for almost every popular social media platform like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, etc. The SMM panel has a very simple and user-friendly interface. To get started, simply sign up with your email. If you cannot find the validation email, check your spam folder. After clicking on the validation link, your account sign-up will be completed. Log in with your credentials to get started. Before getting started, it is recommended that you read our terms and conditions. You should also read our frequently asked questions section to find answers to your important queries. Now, on the statistic page, you can see a list of our best-selling services. To proceed with your order, you will first need to deposit funds. Click the Add Funds button. You can deposit funds by using an automatic payment method via PayPal, Payeer, and Coins payment. Or you can choose to pay manually via Perfect Money, GCash, and bank transfer. You can keep the track of all your deposits by the Transactions Log tab. To place an order, click the New Order button. Choose the category. Select a service. Enter the number of followers, views, or likes which you want to buy. Once again, it is recommended to read all the details in the description box before you place an order. When you are sure, confirm and place the order. You can always check your order status from the order page. You will be shown your order progress as if it is pending, in progress, or completed. In case of any technical problem, or for requesting a speed-up or refill, you can always submit a ticket which will immediately be responded to by our support team, and your issue will be resolved. For more information and the latest updates, connect with us through our social media accounts. That's pretty much it for getting started with InstaVIP777 to maximize your social media marketing potential, grow your audience, and be instantly famous. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.